I've read bits. Man's only here with everyone's new favorite feature on Adobe Illustrator. Intertwine. Okay, let's do this. Ubunba Klart Ras Klarts. So, the way it works is you need two shapes that you're going to weave together. In this case, we've got the vines in front, and the word intertwine behind it. So, I select both the shapes together, the vines and the word. Go up to Object. Down to Intertwine. Make. And then we're ready to go. I'll zoom in a bit using Ctrl and plus sign. And move this over, using spacebar and drag. Basically, you just circle the part of the layer that you want to bring through, to the front. So if we circle this part of the eye, it brings it to the front, and puts the vine behind. The stuff of dreams. I'll leave it there. On to the next bit. I think we'll get the cross of the N, to come in front of this other vine here. Just circle again. Easy. Bosh. And maybe this bit here. Oops. I'll press Ctrl and Z to undo. Or Ctrl and Z, for my American speaking compadres. Cool. So you get the idea. I'll fast forward to the end. So we're at the last letter. We'll bring the middle part of the E through. Looking good. So that's it. We can see how that looks. Nice. If you click off it but need to go back to it, just select the shape, go back to Object, then Intertwine, and edit. You can then carry on. But our work is done for this vid. So if you dig, please drop a like and subscribe for more. Peace out to all you creative legends.